Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Huzoor.
Waalaikum Assalam.
My name is Karen Naim and I'm from Nottingham Jamaat. Beloved Huzoor, my father told me sometime before Khilafat, Huzoor was a shy person and didn't speak much. Now Huzoor gives many speeches and meets people from around the world.
I still try not to speak much. Acha, who is your father?
Muhammad Naimullah Khan.
Naimullah
from
Khan?
Nottingham. Yeah.
Acha, Naimullah Khan. Anyway, I don't remember. So I was shy, okay. He thinks I was shy, so it is possible that I was shy. So then, what is the question now?
So how did you feel about this?
How now you give many speeches and meet people from around the world. How can I manage it?
Yeah.
It is God's work. I did not, with my own will and wish, come on this position. It is Allah Ta'ala who has brought me to this position. So when Allah Ta'ala brought me to this position, now it is Allah's work. Then He made me to speak and deliver speeches and talk to the people and silent the people even with the arguments. So even if I myself see what I am, then I cannot say I can answer any person. It is Allah Ta'ala who gives me the strength to do all these things. Okay?
Yeah, Jazakallah Huzoor.
Okay.
Huzoor, please pray for my friends and family that I left behind in my Pakistan.
Okay. Allah Ta'ala bless you all.